Swan's Solar and Electrical have turned up here to start putting the solar panels on the roof. We're going to start. They're going to put the solar panels on the shed roof, and the battery bank will go in the shed, of course. The whole process has started now, trying to get power to the house. So at present they're just up there putting the bases down to run the solar panels onto, and the other fellas inside putting all the gear on the wall. Yeah, up goes the panels, up goes the solar panels. Putting them on. I think there's about 18 or 20. Well, the electricians have been and set up the solar stuff, and you can see the panels on the rooftop there. I can't get up high enough to show you properly, but there's the panels are all up there. Took them a day. There was 4 blokes working, and they set up the array of panels and put in the board. We'll just go inside and you'll be able to see. Oh, that's a bit better. Now this is the control boxes and control panel. I have to get back because it's so big. Runs along a full bay of the actual shed. There are all the batteries on the floor there. That's our battery bank. We go up to this. That bottom box is a switcher. That's the Victron energy inverter, a multi-plus. The gadget up the top is some sort of it's a screen basically to tell you what a diagnostic box that tells you what's going on and all that. What's that? That one's a charger controller. That one's the DC cutout switch. It turns the power off from the solar panels to the unit. Then we've got the Fronius Primo. That's actually that's for the AC current. Switching board, which the switchboard's in there. There's also a power point there where we can run a generator into, and then switch off the solar and run wholly by generation. Now we haven't finished. They haven't completed the shed yet. It's got to have more electrics put into it. But also, which was a godsend, they put in the pipes, the electrical cables for the trench, so we can actually, that trench that we had dug across there for about 2 months was a pain in the backside, and so we're able now to fill the trench in and get this sort of landscaped a bit and get some lawn growing in here, because that red dirt turns to mud every time it showers. So that's the house won't be wired till the house is wired, but we won't be putting electricity on till we finish all our gyprocking and what have you. Then the elecos will come back and put all the gear in and connect us all up for the house. That won't happen until about March, because we're into gypropping now, and then around Christmas time we'll be doing the ceiling, and then as soon as the ceiling's finished we'll paint, and as soon as the painting's finished the elecos can come back and finish off all the internal wiring. But for present, at least we've got power. We haven't got to run the generators, and we've got this darn trench filled in, because it just fills up with water if it rains really quickly. It overflows and it takes about 2 weeks for it to dry out so you can actually shovel anything out of it again. But anyway, that's how far we've got. And bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.